change some things around. The variac. Get down there. This down here is wet. See that a little bit better. It's going to be our voltage, our output over here, and our milliamps. Here's our coil that we'll be switching. This is the 120 volts to 400 volt output. Here's our variac, 120 in, 1 to 120 out. Here's a little 3-pack amp that I made. We have the label on the back, ground, 30 to 400 B plus, plate or output, and our gate or the signal in. Here is the plus 12 volts for the filament. Oh, 6 volts, sorry. Also, later, I want to run this tube. This tube is a Gassy tube, and what's really awesome about this is it's conducting at low voltages. It looks really pretty, but the bad thing about it is at higher voltages, it arcs over. But it's really pretty to look at. And we're going to put it in this one, and we'll also put it in this. We're going to put it right here, and we're going to watch it glow and see how well it performs. Let's hang that back up, and we'll hook this up. There's our ground. One of the coil inputs and the other coil. Alright. Oh, and the filament. Okay. So over here we have our filament transformer. See, our 120 volts comes to this junction right here. Goes straight to the filament, and it's on a switch, and I can also change the voltage for the other tubes. It'll then come in here, and we'll get to choose the voltage that goes into our voltage multiplier back there. That'll just multiply it to by like 2.5 times, I think, something like that. Our voltmeter reads off the output of that, and then our milliammeter sits in series with our amp, so it will tell us how much current our amp is drawing. So connections are all good. I had to do a little bit of tuning to the coil, so we'll see how its output does. Last I checked, it was okay. It made this glow pretty good. 300 volts. Oh, hey, what's up? Layla's dope. Sorry, I'm little stupid, I can't read. You should create or find products you could sponsor to teach basic circuit board fundamentals. I wish I had something I could use to teach. Yeah, I thought about doing stuff, making kits, something like this, because it would have been really cool to get into this kind of stuff when I was younger. Um, but yeah, I'd love to do something like that. Right now, probably at the time, because I still have a lot more to learn, but I think I'm gonna get there one day. I'm gonna do something cool. Yeah, the right to repair stuff, definitely. Um, I like learning it. I feel like maybe I have to on an island one day with a bunch of parts or something. You know, I don't know. It's a lot of fun too. It's like real life magic, you know. And, let's plug this screen. Yeah, let's see what happens. All right, she's plugged in. This is up a little bit. This probably has 10 volts on it. Let me turn the filaments on. We can see them glow. Let me turn this light off. There we go. Yeah, they're glowing real nice. This one's hotter than the other two, which isn't bad. I mean, this has two neons on it that indicate when the voltage is sufficient to scare you or even give a heart attack if you touch it. One neon is between the switch and the other neon is over here. Let's turn the apparatus on. And there you can see the neons. They come on. And here's our voltage right. And our current. Which is a little hard to see, but it's where it should be. Let's see if we have anything. Nothing. Oh. Where is... Probably have the coil hooked up backwards. Now we will do this. We will troubleshoot with a spectrum analyzer. I love this thing. They're only like 50 bucks. When this is working, we'll see a bunch of junk. Oh, what is that? 12 megahertz. Is that? Let's see. Let's turn the voltage up. Oh, there we are. We have an oscillation. Look at that peak at 56 megahertz. Cool. Alright. I don't know why it's not lighting anything up. Right there. Higher voltage. Oh, I tuned it and added that choke. I don't think I've had a better. This thing makes a good radio. Let's reverse what's going on here. See what we get. Oh, we don't get much nothing. What I'm gonna have to do is unwind this, because this is the only big thing that I changed. Oh, that's a lot of wire on that. So bring it around, put it back in. Probably gonna be backwards now. Something about when you add these chokes, it reverses everything. It's really weird. The typical way I had it before now doesn't work. I'm gonna have to reverse the polarity. Still doesn't look like oscillation. That's not okay. What is going on? You know, only when you go to record do you have a bunch of issues like this. It is entirely possible that this cord I'm using might be broken. I'm gonna have to check that in a second. Oh, there we go. We got oscillation. Alright. I'm not directly coupled with anything. She's just floating in midair. Alright, there we go. Ooh, that's good. Dang, baby. I didn't know you could do so like this, you know? Oh my goodness. I mean, I knew it wasn't great, you know, but this is better than Ooh, maybe. Yeah, I like that. One of the reasons this might be underpowered is because of that. I don't have capacitors. I don't have capacitors to help me get to a higher thing without destroying the capacitors. Here it is. This. I like this thing. And look at all the wackiness that happens with the frequency. It just goes all over the place. I feel like I had this better at one point. And where the thing goes really don't matter. Let's reverse this. Yeah, we get all that mess, but oh, there it is. Now it's doing something. that output is significantly weaker. Let's take this long wire that I have, and I'm going to wrap it around this. See what happens. I'm wrapping. And looks like our output is definitely changing. Lower. I hate this shit. Yeah. Ooh, ow, oh my god. There is a ton of voltage on this here. Coil. Okay, that tells me a lot. It's too much coil that's gotta come off. The thing is, when you cut the coil off, once I cut it off, that's that. I lose the ability to tune it. You can take away what you can't. Where's my ring? I guess I'm not using the knife. That's really hard to close. It would be easier if I would learn the formulas that I need to learn. Alright, what's going on? Alright. It doesn't look like it's any better than it was. I don't like that. Can I just hang you off of here, please? Let's do the indirect approach now and put copies. Yeah, that's better. And it does not make much good sense for this antenna wants to go. That's why I don't like. Oh, my mouth is dry. I don't like doing that. I have that choke. Choke on this thing. Let's see what happens. Let's see, choke. Oh, hey. Well, so no, it's not halfway. Okay. Don't look like let's see. Oh. And then I could get variable tuner in here. Maybe tune it out. When you build your coils, you really gotta build them to tune. It does a lot better. But let's keep it like that, right? Let's see if I can balance this dang thing. See how I can see it, right? This up here. Oh, geez. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is remove each tube one by one, and we will see what effect that has. Alright. This stuff is hot. Hold on. I gotta do something. I have a piece of paper cut somewhere. Alright, good spot. Okay, I guess I'm not. Guess I'm raw dogging it. Okay. Yo, that's hot. Alright. So we see it has an effect cut. Alright. Wow! Alright. But we're still on, so that tells you it's possible to make a Tesla coil with a 6AU6, which is pretty cool. When I first started working with these 686s, I didn't think this shit was possible. It was quite the effort to get to here. So let's take the glow tube, and we'll plug her in. See what effect that has. Oh, the voltage is pretty high. It's not glowing. Probably because alright, I'm gonna have to change this. Alright, she's a glowing. Oh wow, that is definitely the one tube. Sure works. And you can see it's already doing the thing, doing the jumping. I can turn the voltage up. Yep, yeah, we got more of that. Sputtering and sparking. Voltage is 240 volts. It's actually surprisingly stable right now. 270. Huh, interesting. Okay, turn it right down. And this tube will stay glowing at a pretty low voltage. That's already out. We still have oscillation though. It says that. If you look over here, that's us. 128 volts. Still doing the thing. Turned it right down to 99, 98, 95, 94, 80, 70. She's still glowing like there's no tomorrow. 60. We still have oscillation too, by the way. I'm telling you, these little gassy tubes, I love these things, man. We're at 48 volts, and we're still glowing. Love that. Glowing at 48 volts, and we're still oscillating at 21 megahertz. And that's with one tube and a little bit of coil. Alright. We're still glowing. We're at 41 volts. I think that's us at 12 megahertz. Let's see. Let's increase the voltage a little bit. Yeah, that's us at 12 megahertz. Okay. So we bring the voltage back down. Alright. We're at 36, 34, 32. That might not be us at 12 megahertz. Alright, she slammed right down to 27. Yeah, that can't be us. I don't know who that is at 12 megahertz. I sure would like to know though. I'm gonna double check. Let that voltage go down. Let me short her out. There we go. Yeah. Huh. That's interesting. Who's at 12 megahertz right now? I don't think I have a radio that does 12 megahertz. Crazy. I think this radio here does 12 megahertz, but it's been so long since I've had it running, I can't remember. Dang, almost want to get it running up right now. Forget it. If I keep seeing that 12 megahertz later, I'm definitely going to pursue it. Okay, let's remove this hot ass tube. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's hot. Alright. So I'm going to take all these this stuff out. The next experiment won't be so striking, but put all these tubes back. That's why I do them all. There we go. That's good enough, right? Chill. This thing doesn't know what it wants to be. Something is the 12 volt stock, so keep the meters. This one, and this one, and the rest are garbage. Why did I put this dang tape? Tape is off. Oh, we got another one. Tape. Hey, my whole childhood, I've been like actuated with tape and everything. I had friends that did the same thing. Just everything we saw. We loved it. Coil wire to go back on the spool. Man, all these freaking little leads. Now we can hook her up. There's only 3 connections. There's ground. There is 12 volts, which is on right now. Very nice. There's a hot 12 volts, and there's our B plus, or high voltage. Kind of don't like how hot those filaments are, but that's okay. I'll set those down there. I know they're a little fuzzy, but and then this, turn that back on. It's still at 12 megahertz peak. Ooh, that's a big 12 megahertz. Jesus, Lord have mercy. Okay. Anyway. Turning up the voltage. Oh. Whoa, we got instant. Okay. When I found this design on the internet with the 2 tubes like that. Not the ankh shape. The ankh shape was me. The dude was glowing tubes with it. But mine, because of the power restriction, because of that thing back there, is limiting power output. That should definitely glow, but we have really nice radio signals. If we go up in our voltage, wow. Oh my goodness. The tubes, this thing is across the board. It's like 208 megahertz, 140 megahertz, 70 megahertz, and you can tune it up and down. 350 megahertz. This thing could probably, you know what it seems like is, say, you had a pair of two or whatever, you got them somewhere sketchy. You could probably build yourself a really crappy beacon, and somebody would see that, and they would be like, huh, what is that? And come find you. Boom, it collapses. It doesn't like that. Doesn't like it at all. There's a couple issues with this circuit, definitely. Wow. The capacitors in there, they're not the right size. But the thing I want to check is if it works with a Gassy tube. So let's pull one of these tubes. I can't pull because it's actually broken. I need to turn the filaments off real quick. Let's turn the filaments off, and you'll see that it will just disappear slowly. And let's go. The tubes out, you gotta rock them in a circular motion. There we go. Same with putting in. This might not go in all the way. I'll just have to settle part way. Alright. Turn the filaments back on. Oh, and look, it works. Look at that. Great. Man, check that out. Almost wish the tube was gassy. That is so freaking cool. Oh. Stop. I wonder if that's because the tube's not in all the way. Oh yeah, it's because the tube is barely in there. When you grab it, it tunes it out a little bit. There you go. Yeah, check it. The ankh. That would look really cool in the dark. I need to make the other two gassy. Alright, let's see what happens with the voltage climbs. Right up. 125. Oh yeah, we got lots of that going on. I think that has been it for this stream. And I hope you all have a great day. I think this is going to go tube powered. Yeah, I had to pull this off, work on that for a little bit. Close it up because it might be moving. There's a dog. A couple more dogs. This is the goal. Big, 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 big. Nice and big. Ready? Anybody needs their stuff repaired, call me.